Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet and license plate recognition using Python. So either have to upload any video or image to that particular machine learning model, and it will detect that the person is wearing helmet or not, and it will identify the rider and try to detect the number plate. It will also show the accuracy. Okay, like that. User have to provide an input video and model will recognize that particular things. Like LP means license plate. Okay, rider. It will show with the accuracy like 0.9394, like that. So let's complete this video. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, computer vision, Java, Android app, and web development projects. So if you're searching at project ideas, then you can also visit the website www.techieprojects.com. Let's complete this video. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.